Hello guys, today I'm going to show you about basic of AutoCAD that we are going to learn 6 point basic AutoCAD today. So the first is how to use line. Yes, I already show you how to create the task work, and now we're going to start. So when you create a task, show like this, or I can create for you a new again. When you open the AutoCAD, it will show up like this, and just click on this for startup. So how to use line? Home, you see. So today we are going to learn about this line. So line, how to use line. Click on it. Click on somewhere you want and drag and move it. You can to left, to right, up or down. It's up to you. Yeah. And then you type the number what you want. Example, I want to be 30. Yeah, 30. That's all. I will show you in the next session about unit, but I'll show you how to draw line, this, all of this. Yeah, like this. Click it and like this. It's oh, I forget. I'm sorry. Okay, yeah. Again, this, drag it to left, to right, bottom, and you type the number you want. Example 40. Yeah, and up at 20 mm. Enter, or right click, enter here. Oops. Enter, yeah. That's how to use line. And next, how to use polyline. So this is polyline. Use this, drag it to left. Is it right click? Is it? This is polyline. How to use it? Yeah, see, this is polyline. Or you want to know it, just type above it. Create a 2D polyline. You see, a 2D polyline is connected sequences of segment creators, single panel object. You can create straight line segments, arc segment, or combination of the two. So each tool, they have a instruction for you. Also line, just waiting. Yeah, with line you can create a serial of continuous line segments. Each segment is a line object that can be edited separately. So it have a instruction for you that you can read. So again, polyline is like this. You connect it continuously. Mostly we often use polyline. We usually always use line. That's all. And how to use another, how to use so-called. So this is so-called. In so-called we have here, 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 and here. I will show you how to use this. Center radius. Drag this. So this is a radius. How many radius? Example, you want to be 90. Enter. So this radius. Another one is center diameter. This is diameter. So how many you want to be diameter? Example 90. Yeah, this is diameter. This is radius, diameter 90 the same. Yeah, mostly this is we always use. I will show you only the tool that we always use. And then arc. We have many here, and it will show you the 3 point arc like this, and see. First, second, and third. This is arc. And another is start, center, end. Start, center. This is you want to be end. This end. And this is start, center, angle. Yeah, start, center. You want to be angle. How many angle like this? This is how to use. And another is how to use rectangle. So this is the rectangle. We have many here: center, midpoint, your base, midpoint, your height, center, square. So most of we use center, and I will show you the square. This is the rectangle. See, it's simple. Yeah, like this. Again, and you want to set dimension. So the dimension is example 300. Tab 100. Enter. Yeah, this is cool. Or the same 100. Tab 200. Tab. This is the opposite, yeah. And also square. This is a square. Oh, square. Just click 200. It is the height and the weight is the same. Square. Easy, yeah. And how to use arc. Yeah, I already show you how to use arc. This is arc. I already show you. And how to use hatch. How to use hatch. This is hatch. Example, I draw another you see, I draw another square like this. And how to use hatch? Click on it and click hatch. Enter. You can use what type of hatch you want. Let's go this one. Is it? Oh, it's example. Example like this offset. Example 100. So I want to set hatch between this. So click on this and this. Click on hatch. What's going on? It's a problem. Click on this. You can choose anyone you want. See, I'll choose this one or this one. It's up to you. That's all. Yeah, that's all for today. Hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe for more. Bye bye. See you in the next lesson.